Well, hey friends, I actually did a real quick shift onto what kind of video I was going to do today. I wanted to do a really hardcore pull-up, box, like cardio workout, but you know what? I listened to my body and my body was like, no. So listen to your body. I've decided instead to do a stretch video because stretching is super important, right? So I'm going to show you my favorite lower body stretches that will literally change your life. And I say that, it might sound dramatic, but it literally changes my life. It makes my body so much happier, you guys. So don't be tight and don't be sore. Let's work it out. Now I have a loop band that I'm going to use, but you can use any sort of band. And if you don't have a band, even one that you can hold with handles or even without handles, get a towel or something. You could use something for resistance. You want to join me? All right, let's go. All right, so I'm going to take that loop band and I'm going to wrap it around the center of my foot, okay? So I have a really good hold on it and it's actually double banded now, right? So I'm going to lay back and I'm going to first kind of like work on my ankles. I want my ankles to be strong and flexible. So go ahead and roll those ankles. Let's do 12. Nice support, pulling down. Other way. And flex and point your foot. Keeping that mobility and strength in your ankles. Now I'm going to get into my hamstrings. I'm going to go ahead and let it go, letting my band go, and then I'm going to crawl up that band and pull that leg in. And I'm going to do that several different times, probably about 12 times. Notice my other leg is flat on the floor. I'll do one more. I'll do 8 for the sake of time. Okay, so I'm going to hold this here. Now I'm going to bend and straighten, and I'm keeping that resistance on the band. Bend and straighten and pull. Oh, it hurts so good, right? Hurts so good. Depending on how tight you are, you can repeat that. You can take it down and up, and then even add a bend and straighten. It's up to you. But you're climbing up that band. Now I'm going to get into my IT bands. I've been running lately, so my IT bands are getting tight. So I'm just going to keep my shoulders flat and just take that leg over my body. Yikes. I'm going to hold that and I'm going to pull on my band a little bit. I'm going to bend and I'm going to straighten. Whoa. Keep your foot flexed, press through your heel, and really keep those shoulders flat. I could probably do this all day. Like it hurts, like it doesn't, stretching should hurt a little bit. If it doesn't, you're not getting deep enough. I'm going to hold that and pull up just a little bit. I'm going to take my leg over. Now I'm going to get into my inner thigh a little bit. So I'm going to open up wide. Again, adjusting through my band. I'm going to bend and straighten. Again, if you're really tight, take it back over, shoulders flat, and do it again. you the ones that I do, right, that I do pretty regularly. I'm going to switch over to the other leg. There are, a lot of stretches you can do, but these are the ones I do pretty regularly. I'm going to go ahead and start with my ankles. It's great to have strong ankles. On runs, I have fallen off curbs before and literally heard my ankle crack and was able to get back up and start running again with no pain, just because my joints are strong. And switch other direction. Always keep that other leg flat on the ground. And now flex and point. Again, keep that resistance on the band. Remember, you want a little bit of discomfort. You really want to get into those muscles. And this feels good in your calf muscles as well. I'm going to take it down and up. Climbing that band. I'll do one more, and now I'm going to bend and straighten, keeping that resistance on my band. All right, and again, combining those two. If you're feeling extra tight, keep going, okay? I have never known anyone to stretch too much to hurt themselves. Not in all my years of fitness. Our muscles need to be stretched. Let's do one more of that combo. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it over. Shoulders flat. Taking it over. Yikes, this is the one that hurts probably the most for me. Shoulders flat, and try to get that leg as close to the floor as possible. And then hold. Woo! Hurts so good. And then bring it up. Now, I know a lot of you guys are hard on your bodies, right? It's we work really hard. And so we need to stay really stretched. So shoulders flat, bend and straighten. Keep that resistance on that band. Pull up. Listen to your body. Know what your body needs. Push yourself without hurting yourself, right? That's key. 4, 3, 2, keep that resistance. Now I'm going to go over one more time. Shoulders flat. Take it over, bend and straighten. And up and over. That feels so good. Inner thigh stretch. So good. So I'm going to show you a gluteal stretch. Okay? So keep that band on there. It's that figure 4 stretch, right? And you're going to lift up that bottom leg and then pull with that band. Pull. This is not only glute, but also inner thigh. Feels really good. I'm going to go ahead and switch. So I just kind of keep that loop there, put it on the other foot, and I'm going to pull up. IT band too. Feels good. A little bit of everything in this one. All right. So I'm going to show you, after I do my lower body stretches, I like to get into my back, okay? Because, you know, everything's connected. If you have one thing tight, it leads to another problem somewhere else. You know, a tight spine leads to problems in your glutes and hamstrings. So I like to get on all fours, and I like to do my cat-cow. So my cat stretch here, chin in, rounding out my back to my cow stance. Pushing my tailbone out, straightening my back, and pulling my shoulders down. Inhale, round. Exhale, straighten. Round. Straighten. Now again, you can do this however long as you need to, right? Child's pose stretch, arms down, sit all the way back. Try to bring your forehead down. And then you're going to shift your body forward, pushing your hips down toward the mat, lifting through your chest, shoulders down, chin up. Do that one more time. This is so great for your back. Breathing the whole time, don't hold your breath. Now, if your shoulders are feeling tight, you can also weave that arm through and just kind of sit back toward your heels. And other arm. And shoulder roll here. So there are, I will be doing an upper body stretch also, but I think lower body stretches for me are super important. You know, you can always go into a doorway and hold on to the doorway and lean forward to stretch out your chest. And you could also do the same one for the back. So there are so many stretches, you guys, and it's so important for us to stay stretched, to stay flexible, and to stay healthy with that so we can keep working. So just wanted to share some of my leg exercises with you. So, all right, you guys, have a great day.